how to insert or embed YouTube videos in Canva. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we will be guiding you thoroughly on how we can embed a YouTube video in our Canva projects. So if you're wondering how you can do that, in this video, we will show you exactly how you can do it. So let's just go ahead with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon, and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to do that, first of all, you need to go ahead and open up the Canva on your desktop or PC. And after you have successfully opened up the Canva, you can go ahead and select the project where you want to embed the YouTube video to. After you have successfully selected the project where you want to embed the YouTube videos to, what you're going to do is you can find this at the left side of the corner. You can find this section called apps. So you're going to go ahead and select these apps, and you're going to look out for the YouTube options here. If not on that site, we can find it on our next site, the YouTube application. You're going to go ahead and look out for the YouTube here, or you can go ahead and search it if you can't find it directly. Just type in YouTube and you should be able to find the YouTube here. So in order to add the YouTube videos to your designs, you're going to click on this link. And you're going to go on with the process, use it in your existing design, or you can use it in a new design as well. Just go ahead and select your project where you want to add it to. After that is done, what you're going to do is search for the YouTube video that you're looking for, that you want to add it on your Canva video, or you can paste the URL that you want to add. For example, this one right here. So what you're going to do is search for that YouTube video and add it on your Canva project. And you can see I have added this. So when you go through the YouTube video, you will be totally taken to the link that will redirect you to the another YouTube video, and directly to the YouTube. So you're going to go ahead and edit it out. You're going to paste it anywhere. You're going to place it anywhere in your YouTube video. And that is how you embed a YouTube video in your Canva. It is super easy. So follow up this method. And therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.